Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can fix ChatGPT to many request error. So let us start. ChatGPT is a highly advanced artificial intelligence chatbot launched by OpenAI in November 2022. The online service requires servers to operate, and when they are overloaded with high volumes of traffic, sometimes they glitch. There are multiple ways to fix the too many requests error. Here are some of the possible solutions. The too many requests error is reportedly caused by an OpenAI user sending in more queries than the number permitted per hour. Therefore, a good way to fix this is by spacing out your queries and keeping them as straightforward as you can. Another suggestion for fixing the issue is to wait for the suggested period of time stated on checked, so the server is not overloaded. For example, the message will probably read, "Too many requests in 1 hour. Try again later." If this doesn't work and the issues keep repeating, you can click on the New Chat tab, which can be found in the menu on the left-hand side. Another thing to try is clearing the browser cache and stored cookies. You can do this by logging out and re-logging in, or you can go to your settings and clear the cache completely. It is also a good idea to keep an eye on OpenAI's server status. If the bar is green, then the status is good and functions are operating to a satisfactory level. If they are red or orange, then it means some of the functions may be temporarily down. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.